How to create stunning 3D AI name images with AI in Bing.com. Open Chrome. Search Bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can write your prompt. Create a 3D illusion for a profile picture where a 25-year-old cute boy in a black hoodie sitting casually on a wingback chair wearing sneakers with black mask and sunglasses. He looks ahead. The background features Talha in big and capital yellow neon light fonts on the dark gray wall. There are wings to make it appear as if he is an angel. Click on Create. Wait a minute. Boom, check the result.